Now we're going to look at how the decimal place value system allows us first to find the value for each of the digits in the number, but then also allows us to expand out the number so we can see what the number is made up of. Let's first look at the value of the digits. For this example, what is the value of the following digits in these numbers? The 6 in 964 and the 3 in 4731899. How do we do it? It's always good to start out with our column values. And I've written them slightly different in this example. Again, just put 1, 10, 100, 1, 10, 100, 1, 10, 100 in each of the periods and the period names above it, but also I've put how that period name looks in terms of the zeros that you add after the number. So this 1 is going to be written 1, 000 for 1,000. This column value here, 100,000, 100, 000. Millions, similarly, with 6 zeros. So let's look at the first one. We want to know what the value of 6 is in 964. So the first thing we're going to do is just put the number into the columns. And 964 is units. We can either just write in 964 directly into that period, or if you want to go through step by step, you can start by putting the 4 in the first position, 6 in the second position, 9 in the third position. You'll get the same answer anyway. And we're looking for the 6 in that number, and we see that 6 right here. And we see that that is 6 tens, or 6 times 10, which is just equal to 60. Straightforward. So let's try the next one. That was a fairly easy example. Let's try the next one. I'll give a different color for that one. We're looking for the 3 in 4731899. But what are these anyway? Well, the first period is just the units, so that's 899. We can put those straight in. 899 units, or 899 ones, whichever one you want to call it. The next period, and the periods, remember, are separated by the commas that we have here. The next period is 731, and that's in the thousands. So we'll, don't forget to put the comma in there. And just put those directly into their spaces, 731. And finally, we have here this 4 in the last period, which is the millions, and we just put that one right there. And in this number, we're looking for the 3. And we see that it is right here. And that's 3 times 10,000. So when we write it out, 3 times 10. And we get those 3 zeros from this period name. Remember, we said we're going to put the 3 zeros to help us out later, and so that just becomes easily 30,000. Straightforward. So the value of the 3 is 30,000, and the value of the 6 in this number is 60. Good. So now we want to look at how we write numbers in expanded form. Doing this uses the same principles that we have just used, but then with expanded form, we look for the digit value for all of the digits. So for this first number, 582, you want to find out the digit values for each of these, and then you put them together, and that's really all expanded form is. So let's put, that period is just in the ones, so let's just put it straight in. 5, 8, and 2. And then we find the digit value for each of these. So first we're going to have 5 100s. So that's the same thing as 5 times 100. And then plus or and 8 times 10 plus 2 times 1. 582 in expanded form, or 582 in expanded form, is just 5 times 100 plus 8 times 10 plus 2 times 1. You have 51,472, or 472. So again, we put the numbers according to their periods. And so we have this one here. That 472 is in the units, or the ones period. So we have 472. Then, don't forget to put the comma. Then we have a 51 in the thousands period. So we put that in, 51. And again, we just take the value of each of these digits and multiply them by the column value. So for this one, it's going to be 5 10,000s, or 5 times 10,000. 5 times 10,000 plus 1 times 1,000, 1 times 1,000 plus 4 times 100 plus 7 times 10 plus 2 times 1. And that's all there is to expanded form of numbers. So we looked at how to find the digit value by multiplying by the digit by the column value, and we found out how to find expanded form just by finding all the digit values and putting them in one long sum. Try some for yourself. Good luck.